This is the part of automation tool which generates EB engineering base intermediate file which is in Excel format. Here you can see the program file which is project specific document, that is PSD, which you earlier browsed in engineering based automation tool. Here you can have minor details, that is project name, IO assignments, consultant name, controller details, cabinet details, all the stuffs. Here you can browse IO assignment to generate the intermediate files which are required to place the devices on cabinet. So you have browsed that file and it will start populating the required files, intermediate files from the IO assignment. This tool is supporting for the control panel designing, where you can have multiple sheets. In those sheets you can see power details, cabinet details, IO details, all the stuffs from the IO assignment. Here the message box which indicating the every sheet's successful messages. Now the tool has been generated intermediate file in root folder, that is ABB demo. Here the multiple sheets which are generated by tools. This is project specific, IO, power, cabinet details, all the necessary data that comes from the IO assignment. Basically this tool generates intermediate file for the engineering based automation.